This cordless vacuum cleaner was kindly gifted by the brand, and I absolutely love it. I've been using it for a few days now, and it's honestly exceeded my expectations. The suction power is incredible. It really picks up everything, even larger pieces of debris or heavier dust from both carpets and hard floors. I also love how smooth it feels when cleaning. It turns effortlessly and it's super easy to reach under furniture or around tight spaces without having to move things around. The battery life is another big plus. I can easily clean my entire home on a single charge, and the LED touchscreen lets you control the suction mode and see the battery status at a glance. It also comes with a wall mount for charging and storing all the attachments, which keeps everything neat and ready to use. And once you're done, cleaning the filter is so simple. Just twist it out, give it a quick rinse, and it's fresh and ready for the next use. Lightweight, powerful, and really convenient.